YouTube, welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Kicking off the 2023 riding season. Just heading out to put a little go-go juice in the bike. Figured I would shoot a video first time out this year. Definitely feels good to get out on the bike. Loving it. Woo! Forgot what that felt like. Little blast there. So, I don't know if you saw the short I did. Right now, I am working on my garage. Painting it up. I got the shelves. I got a lot of stuff all set up, ready to go. So I just got to get the paint on the walls. I'm going to order some art, maybe some decals. We'll see. Hopefully it's going to come out nice, and then I'm going to do the epoxy on the floor. So it should be interesting. Go over all of that. Once I finally get the garage set up the way I want it, then it's time to start looking for stuff to work on. Maybe do some modifications to this, some little stuff. Who knows? I would love to get an on-off-road bike, not running, rebuild it. Got a lot of stuff I want to do, but currently I'm still working. I took this job in October. It's supposed to be 4 or 5 weeks. I'm still there over half a year later, and it's an early start. It's an hour ride, so I've really been slacking. I've been coming home. I've been really tired. Haven't been doing a lot. As you know, I haven't put out a lot of videos, but hopefully that's all going to change. I'm still at that job, but you know what? The summer's here. The warmer, well, summer, yeah. Spring, I consider that summer to me, but the spring is here, so hopefully I can get out, do some more riding. It's late later, you know, I don't feel as tired when I get home. So I hope you guys stay tuned. I'm very excited, got a lot of subscribers. Everybody's sticking around. I really appreciate it, and hopefully I have some really good stuff coming up. Right now I'm currently looking for a new, you know, riding jacket for when the weather's not ice cold. So, see what I can find. I want to get something with some armor in it. I want to get one of the jackets that looks like a shirt, like a plaid shirt. They look pretty cool, but we'll see. Whatever I get, I'll do a review on. I'll show it to you. And I do have a product that I want to show you guys that I use. Really cool, made by Meguiar's. Maybe I'll get a video of that out pretty soon and could show you that. It'll be a shorty. Alright, so I really just wanted to touch base with everybody, show that I'm out here getting my first little ride in to go get gas. Got some cows here. I love living up here. I mean, it's pretty nice. I can find a lot of nice places to ride. I know that. Alright, so that's gonna do it for this little video. And like I said, I'm gonna do some videos of, you know, updates in the garage, show you some progress. Maybe I'll do some shorts here and there while I'm doing it and doing some progress. That'd be great. Otherwise, stay tuned. There will be plenty more adventures. Alright, so until next time, this is Carl saying, laugh a lot, be nice, and stay safe. Woo!